This project that we work on, it's a very unique project. It's in a neighborhood called Hancock Park, which is very historical here in the Los Angeles area. A lot of the homes have a Spanish colonial architecture, and this is one of them. Has to be preserved. So the idea it was to make this house new, but looking like it has been here since the early 1900s. The whole idea behind the wood floors in the house to use the white oak floors, which was here originally 2 1/4, which was very close to what was here originally, and keep it very simple, very natural, just the way it used to be here when the house was originally built. They want to just the house to show itself, not the floor or not a kitchen, like everything will come together. So it'll be a very simple floor, just a Rubio pier, just to make a statement of the architecture at the time. Our process is straightforward. We sand the floors to 120 grit, we vacuum and we water pop, and then we trowel the oil on the floors. Through the date, we had no callbacks as to product is not performing or the floors doesn't look good or this and that. So it's been a great experience. One of the questions that people ask us is like, what kind of finish to use? Do we have anything that's a natural product? We don't want to deal with chemicals and products that's going to be gassing off and smelling, for days at the house. So I always recommend Rubio Monocoat, in particular for the time that we've been using it. 14 years now. It worked for me, it worked for my clients, and it's a VOC-free product. It's easy to work, easy to repair. And the beauty of using Rubio Monocoat on this particular project, being a historical home, is that this will always look new. 5, 7, 10 years from now, depending on the wear and tear and how the household is here, we can just come back and re-oil the floors, and those floors will look brand new again, even though it'll be already years of use. That's one of the beauty about using Rubio. You can rejuvenate the floors and bring back to life, and without having to sand it and all that stuff. Very simple and easy process.